20 women clothes and a whole bunch of rides. When I close my eyes, I seem to fantasize. Power fans and a whole bunch of rides. And I'm getting it, Rambo. I'm getting it, Rambo. I'm getting it, Rambo. I'm getting it, Rambo. Play here, got
W in front of that.
Alright,
So I mean, our genres are pop, hip hop. We make up this new thing called hip hop. We're trying to be the next Black Eyed Peas. That's our goal.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what music is like. Generally based on like party music. We do all genres. So trying to make it to the top.
Okay, so how long you been making music?
Over a year.
Yeah, like a little over a year.
Okay, so you got a project out there?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Soon. We got a video coming out. Electrify. One of our singles be out like in a few days. So can't wait to that to drop. It's gonna be crazy.
Where can they find that out?
YouTube, Facebook.
Yeah, let them know your Facebook, your Twitter, your websites, or whatever.
Yes.
Facebook is One Sound with WWONESOUND. Instagram is the same, WOUNDSOUND. And Twitter, Instagram.
One Sound, yeah.
Everything is One Sound. Everything is One Sound.
One Sound, okay.
And website is obviously www.wonesound.com.
Okay.
So you
Definitely.
find all the new stuff. Twitter, we up there Twitter every day, Instagram every day.
So what y'all sing, y'all rap, like what's going on here?
He raps and he sings it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we get a little sample from y'all? Or you just a little free acapella?
Yeah, by the way.
Yeah, a lot of times I do.
Five, six.
Get turned up now. Let's just do it, I don't care how. Let's just turn up. They know we get electrified every single time we ride.
Check it. Now I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get turned up. Never wanna turn it down, wanna turn it up till the whole thing get burned up. I assume I'm gonna have to take them to school so they can really learn us. WONESOUND, indeed we get turned up. Yeah.
Okay, I like that. That's fire right there, yo. I'm feeling that wave, man. That's what's up, yo. Definitely love the outfits and all of that.
Thank you.
Definitely.
A close friend of mine, he gave us this stuff.
Oh, word? That's
we have
hot.
more crazy outfits too, so we got some crazy stuff coming on later.
So y'all design your own outfits and all that. That's crazy. That's hot. That's definitely hip hop right there in the flesh.
I mean, we want to be like. I mean,
who's some of your inspirations and stuff?
One of my inspirations is will.i.am and Justin Timberlake. Yeah, those like Justin Timberlake really inspired me like to do music. Like his music is very it's dope. Him and will.i.am, Black Eyed Peas, I always look up.
Shout out to Black Eyed Peas, Justin Timberland, definitely.
Yeah.
Y'all on Megastar DVD right now, behind the scenes mag. Definitely this is exclusive, you know what I mean?
Yes.
I feel like y'all got a lot of style, you know what I'm saying?
Definitely. More music, trust me, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be crazy.
Definitely. So what's the name of the project to look for?
We think we're called Kids of the Future.
Kids of the Future?
KIDZOF.
Okay, cool.
Future.
So what's your name? What's your names and stuff like that?
My name is Jenny.
Jenny? Chemi?
Yes.
Okay.
Jamel from Brooklyn.
Jamel.
J-Mel. Yes.
I'm Leisha. I'm from Brooklyn too. I'm 16.
Leisha. Okay, cool. All right, so y'all from Brooklyn and all that?
Yeah.
Brooklyn.
Queens and Brooklyn.
Queens and Brooklyn. That's what's up. Any shout outs y'all want to give to anybody?
Shout out, to our fans, people that support us on Twitter, Instagram. Shout out to Disco Twins for making them crazy sick beats for us. He always looked out for us. And shout out to everybody that's still supporting us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Keep doing it. Tell everybody about us because they're gonna see us soon.
Shout out to our family.
Family. Our supporters.
Sure.
Yes.
Definitely.
My mama. And shout out to our choreographer Crystal. You're the best.
Yes.
Yes, shout out to her.
Give a little shout out to Behind the Scenes Mag.
Shout out to Behind the Scenes Mag.
And
it's gonna be crazy.
And Megastar Brand.
And Megastar Brand. It's gonna be crazy, man. All right. Sound.
Thuggatron wrote
this red ink, Rambo. By this time next year, red mink, Lambo. My bitch like Pinky, red stilettos. Bet on rock and roll, her pitch for stiletto. I'm her dream fantasy, she going Rambo. Shot calling crazy cash, switch my tempo. I'm on Hot 97, spinning around, be a rest.